Welcome to Banawe! Pupunta tayo dun sa magandang view somewhere down there. Meron dalawang upuan doon. As in, napaka-blessed ng mga tao dito kasi ito ang kanilang everyday view. Ooh. Love? Love! The weather is cloudy. Yan. My God! Ew! Kakatakot. Wala, ang ganda-ganda talaga dito. Fresh air. So, Mama! Mama, hi ka! Doon kami kumain, guys. Ang sarap ng ulam namin. It's tinola. Love, careful! Careful! Mama, kita mo na eh.
Could be a little bit slippery though.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna fall that way.
Yeah, I want to fall that way, not that way. Thank you, love. Yeah, the feeling is like kinda slippery. My God, it's cold. Oh, thank you, love. Palapit na tayo. Look at the view. Ganda. Love. So, meron pa dito. Guys, cement nila ito. Yung parang isang station para makita yung edging or yung ano ba tong tawag nito, parang margin ng mga platforms. Charot.